Guangdong Advanced Refrigeration Equipment Co., Limited is a source factory in cold chain solutions, offering refrigeration equipment to the world. We have a complete production line for refrigeration units. And provide one-stop services. We also offer mobile cold storage solutions in various sizes, as well as container cold storage. In addition, we produce polyurethane cold room panels. With a wide selection of size, our panels is good for insulation, great aesthetics, and easy to install. All types can be customized. We look forward to growing business with global customers to create a bright future together.